Hello and welcome to Parent Education Network Island, a professional project using a multi-user virtual environment with parents and parent educators and teaching about the Protective Factors framework. What is happening at Parent Education Network Island? The virtual island, the MUVE, has been developed for parents, parent educators, and students in parenting education to learn about the Protective Factors framework, sharing current practice as well as thinking about ways to continue building new understandings together. The Protective Factors framework is aimed at strengthening families and building resiliency to reduce conflict and adverse childhood experiences that place children at risk for abuse or neglect. The protective factors can be found at the Center for the Study of Social Policy. It's part of the Strengthening Families framework. The 5 protective factors are parental resilience, social connections, knowledge of parenting and child development, concrete support in times of need, and social and emotional competence of children. In this professional project, it's rooted in socially constructed learning. From this theoretical framework, all learners are viewed as having strengths, knowledge, and understandings, as well as valid questions and critical thinking to guide and influence and inform continued learning. In terms of constructing social learning in an online environment, research shows that using a variety of social networking learning strategies to connect learners is more effective in teaching and learning with 21st century students. One strategy we will use will be the virtual world. So what is a virtual world? Let's look at a promotional trailer that I created to describe this professional project. The avatar, each person's virtual representation, has the ability to convey emotions, behaviors, and feelings. Let's look at some examples of my avatar. These are just a few of the feelings and behaviors that avatars can express. Being afraid, angry, happy, embarrassed, excited, jumping for joy, having a tantrum, and being worried. In this learning project, learners are actively involved in the virtual world. However, it is not the only social networking strategy used to help teach and learn. There are other social networking tools that are also used to bring learners together. A variety of social networking tools are integrated together to meet 21st century needs and skills in teaching and learning, and to respond to current ways of learning. Let's look at some of the social networking tools used in the Parent Education Network Island multi-user virtual environment. First, we have the virtual world in Kitely, where the active learning occurs. Next, we have the Learning Management System, the LMS and course sites. This gives learners the ability to collaborate and create a class wiki of Protective Factors resources. It also provides for the use of discussion threads in a structured learning journal to build learning that happens in the virtual world related to the protective factors. And it provides a place for assessment and evaluation of the multi-user virtual environment and the course to inform about the use of the virtual world and any modifications needed, making this a socially constructed learning experience. We also have a Facebook page, and it's a network for students to share and connect with other virtual social networks sharing their learning. Further, we'll be using Flipgrid. It provides participants with the ability to communicate using mobile devices to respond to discussion threads using video responses during the week. Students will also be using Screencast-O-Matic. This provides them with a way to record their work and activities and share with their social networks. And they'll be doing this by archiving their learning and sharing with social networks through YouTube. And we have the website. Visit the website for a variety of tutorials and to find out more about the course and resources used at www.parenteducationnetworkisland.com. At www.parenteducationnetworkisland.com, you'll find a website that will help you learn how to enter the class. You'll learn about me, course sites, Flipgrid, Screencast, Facebook, the research, and virtual reality resources. Under using a multi-user virtual environment, you'll learn how to get into Kitely, set up an avatar, how to use your avatar, and the history of the development of Parent Education Network Island. Under classes, you'll find goals and strategies. In Module 1, you will find 5 different sections, which include the beginning of the class, and then in each following module, each module is 2 weeks long and covers each of the protective factors. And under Parent Educators, you'll find the protective factors framework and links, and other further resources.